Now look at this paragraph. Zinc is metal which is used to plate very thinly sheets of corrugated iron or steel, which are often used as a cheap form of roofing. Zinc will not rust and thus prevents the iron underneath it from doing so. Zinc is also used in making torch batteries and is an ingredient in many medicines too. Kazakhstan rank in ninth in the world for zinc production. Zinc is a late discovery. Today it is used for batteries. The ordinary cell batteries in torch usually have a zinc case. Zinc is used mainly for weather proofing as it does not rust. Zinc ointment is one of the commonest item in the domestic medicine boxes. Zinc is also used in the production of car tires and television tubes. Now come on the next page, page number 23. Nickel. This valuable metal is often used like zinc to coat steel objects to stop them from rusting. It is the shiny metal you see on bicycle handlebar or the bumpers of cars. Nickel is also used to make some silver coins. Indonesia is fourth largest producers of nickel in the world. Apart from waterproofing skin on steel in bicycle etc., nickel is an essential ingredient in making some kinds of steel where a very hard metal is needed, for example in car engines and in armor plating for tanks. The next metal is gold. We usually think of jewelry when we think of gold, but today it has much more important place in industry. It is the best conductor of all the metal in the world and will never rust. Today gold is used in scientific equipment, especially for making important connections in computers and other electronic equipment. Gold is widely used in electronic equipment in satellite because it will not tarnish. Gold is sometimes used for making artificial teeth. Indonesia 7th and Uzbekistan 9th rank among the top 10 producer of the world gold. Gold is one of the earliest metal discovered, but it is so soft that it is of not much use for most practical purposes. Apart from its value as a precious metal, gold is now used extensively in computers and satellite, and of course for dental purposes and gilding. Gold is used in space equipment too, partly because it does not tarnish, but also with silver it is one of the best conductor of electricity known. Gold is valued because countries calculate their wealth against their gold reserves. Now come on the next page. Silver. Silver is also resistant to tarnishing as well as for jewelry, cutlery and silverware, dishes, cups, tray, etc. Silver is used in computers because it conducts electricity well. Once it was the main chemical in photographic films, but today most cameras record the image on digital strips. Silver is used in the manufacture of many chemicals. It was used for coins in the past, but today it is considered too soft for this. Kazakhstan ranked 9th among the world largest producer of silver. If we look at this, silver was also largely decorative metal in the past because of its softness. Today, its diverse properties make it an important ingredient in many chemical processes, especially photography. It is also used in solar panels as reflector and as an electrical conductor. However, silver tarnish on exposure to air and has to be cleaned. Silver is also used for expensive decorative domestic objects like dishes, plates, bowls, mugs and trays. It also be of interest to know that silver has healing and cell regenerating properties too, and is used universally for purification of water and swimming pool. After the completion of this chapter, I hope you will have a lot of information about minerals and natural resources of Muslim world. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.